No matter what kind of app you're developing these days, there's a good chance you'll want to store your data in the cloud. Maybe that's because your users want to share their data with their friends for some exciting in-app collaboration, or maybe it's just because they'll want to access their data from more than one device. But storing data in the cloud isn't quite as easy as it first looks. You have to set up your own servers to host the data and keep them up and running day and night. You got to spend a lot of time on the client dealing with networking issues, including making sure everything still works when your user goes offline. You need to stay up all night wondering if you've gotten your security exactly right. And spoiler alert, you probably haven't. And then you need to make sure your service can scale no matter how many millions of users you might have. All of which is time you don't get to spend on building your app. This is where Cloud Firestore comes in. Cloud Firestore lets you store your data in the cloud so you can sync it across all your devices or share them among multiple users. And it comes with all the conveniences you'd expect from a Firebase product, like robust client libraries, full support for offline mode so your app will continue to work just fine whether you're connected or not, even on the web, a comprehensive set of security rules to help you manage access and sleep at night, and an easy-to-use data browsing tool. It also lets you structure your data in ways that make sense to you thanks to its powerful querying and fetching capabilities. Cloud Firestore works in near real time, automatically fetching changes from your database as they happen. Or you can request and fetch data manually. It's completely up to you. Cloud Firestore brings you the best of Google Cloud Platform's powerful database infrastructure with features like multi-regional data replication for extra reliability, strong consistency to make sure everybody's on the same page, and multi-document transactions so you can perform complex operations on your data. And we've designed it to handle the toughest workloads from the world's most popular apps so it can scale automatically to support yours. But it still integrates with other Firebase products, including Firebase Authentication for easy sign-in, and Cloud Functions, which lets you run all sorts of server-side logic in response to changes in your database. All of which means you get a truly serverless development experience. And that means you can spend less time on infrastructure issues and more time building your app. So give Cloud Firestore a try today. You can find all our documentation here, try a sample or two, and start building something great.